I took out my original factory antenna and replaced it with this Max Racing one, and you can see it comes with a couple threads you can use depending on your vehicle, but this one fits the Bronco. Just install it like that, 4 inches tall, and you can see I'm in a parking garage, and the FM signal comes in pretty good. Here are the shackles that I got for my Bronco. I've got the factory steel bumper with the tow hooks here. You can see that it comes in these, wrapped in this wrap, and then you get the extra bushings. So here you can see the homelink mirror, and then you can see the factory just shaved it down, because originally I was going to use the wire adapter for Bob's mirrors, but I went and got this splitter from Sticker Fab that you can have a powered USB to power the dash cam. And so that's how I hooked it up with this short angled USB cable to the dash cam, and I'll show you how okay, you can see it all tucked in there. Did the best I could. There you go. You see the USB cable comes down here. I don't have it plugged in at the second.